Part 1 of our popular introduction course is free. Just enroll to get started. Designed and delivered by experts, it's for new or frustrated traders looking to get a solid grounding in the foundations of financial trading. Let's be honest about this. Profitably trading the financial markets is not something you can learn overnight. It's like any skill. You need to take the time to learn from experts, practice and gain experience before being successful. This and our premium courses are an advanced trading program for those that want to trade the markets for the long term. This free course is spread over 18 on-demand videos that students can study at a time that suits them. Enroll now and start your trading journey with My Trading Skills.